Turn dispossessed by Kante, who's put away here by Fabregas. N'Golo Kante. Sweet feet still from Kante. It's a brilliant run.
But Kante's run began all of that, and it was brilliant.
He's more than just a stopper, plenty more.
Kante chases his own pass.
It just doesn't surprise you, he passes the ball and then actually gets his own pass. He's incredible, he's all over the pitch. And there's a presence of mind to play to Hazard.
It again by Hazard. And it came out to Kante! And Chelsea level it up!
Deeply bothered as it happens on this occasion as Carrasco. Ball given. Smooth approach play here from Chelsea as Piliqueta unable to. Felix looking for an opportunity to shoot. Brilliant piece. Trippier looking for fail away by Kovacic. Ziyech and Kovacic are the two players that are unbeaten in 13 matches going into this one in all competition. Determined Kovacic losing out to Carrasco. And also sending it forward. Mar tries to force his way through. Trying to slide it through to Reece James, who'd moved into the...
Zuma.
Header all throw. Snadoy gets the ball away. Now Pulisic with a chance to break. He's got Emerson to his left and N'Golo Kante to his right. It's here for Emerson. It's his first touch of the ball and he slams it into the back of the net. What an introduction to the match.
Here, it will. Kante, he winds up to have a go! Chelsea break through. Kante, back by Pogba.
One of the best again is Paul Pogba.
Close range header, which has us all square.
Oh shit, here we go again.
And it really does change the atmosphere and the balance of the game now.
Kante. Having a real go. What a goal! What a goal! Well, the effort pays off, and no one puts more effort into a game than N'Golo Kante. It's Piliqueta. Kante going all the way through! Oh, it gets better and better for Chelsea. Talk about rubbing Mourinho's nose in it.
In the comfort zone, Chelsea. Kante. Oh, he stroked it in. Muted celebrations against his former club for whom he won the title. But he's put the title winners of 2017
Here's Kante. Beautifully done. Could this be a big moment for Chelsea in this semi-final?
Messi spots
a gap, looks to move through it. N'Golo Kante shut the door. Paulinho in there quickly.
Lampard, De Bruyne, nicked away again by Kante.
Wriggled away from him and then being caught on it by Kante.